Human-centered design. When we think about how to build a better, more egalitarian world with more opportunities and greater access to rights and services for all people, there are millions of possibilities to achieve it. One of them is the human-centered design. It is the way to approach problem-solving by focusing on people's needs. This is based on the principle that only those who live and face the consequences of problems hold the key to solving them. Person-centered design has two key components: service design and design thinking. Service design is a methodology for understanding a user's journey through the use of a service, to identify opportunities for intervention and points that are relevant to a positive experience. Using this analysis, it is possible to design solutions that are based on the needs and motivations of users and can transform their lives. Design thinking, on the other hand, is a logical, innovative, user-centered process that applies creativity, prototyping, and constant feedback to find satisfactory solutions to problems. The human-centered design methodology has 5 phases. 1. Discover. In this phase, a research process is carried out to understand, in as much detail as possible, the reality of the people to be impacted. It involves researching information, mainly from direct sources, to understand the context and the needs of the people. There are 3 key questions to answer at this stage. What do people think? What do people say? What do people do? Interviews, passive observation, and the use of secondary sources can be used here to find out. 2. Analyze. In this phase, the information collected is organized and interpreted. The main result of this phase is to have valuable insights, i.e., information that allows us to identify the possibilities we have at the time of the intervention. In this case, tools such as a map of actors, the chain of implications, or the profiling of people can be useful to sort and classify the findings. 3. Co-create. In this phase, the actors involved in the problem intervene directly to find a solution. Here, one of the key principles of people-centered design is applied: that people are the crucial point in finding solutions. It is all about coming up with creative ideas and alternatives. Teamwork is the basis for collectively pushing forward in this creative exercise. Tools such as co-storming, convergence or divergence ideation, and user experience awareness techniques can help a lot. 4. Prototype. Based on the inputs from the previous phases, a product or strategy is designed to solve the identified problem. Modeling a possible product or service and testing these ideas is the focus of this phase. 5. Implement. Finally, and after validating these prototype proposals, a final version is built and taken to the feedback of the people to make final adjustments and make the expected solution a reality. And how does human-centered design relate to abortion self-care? Human-centered design can serve as a methodology to understand the needs of people who want to access to self-managed abortion and to provide solutions to possible barriers that may arise when they seek for it, allowing them to do so effectively, ensuring their autonomy, care, and welfare. So, human-centered design is a process and a methodology where people's needs are placed at the center, and therefore, the solution we propose to an identified problem will be more coherent with their environments, perspectives, and requirements. Thinking about people's needs will make abortion self-care a real option for people and guarantee their right to decide.